Hello, welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to unbox and try a product from Maggi UK. I'm going to share my take with you at the end of this video. Let's do the unboxing now. Maggi seasoned cooking pepper can be used not only on chicken but also other kind of protein. I got this from the UK. One packet costs about £1. I'm not sure where you can get it in Malaysia. Since it is considered an imported product, it might be more expensive than in the UK. If you are in Australia, I'm sure you can get it too. They call it Maggi So Tender. Each packet has 4 sheets of seasoned cooking pepper. Now that we have unboxed it, let's get cooking! I'm using quarter chicken for it. If you have bigger piece of meat, you can do what I'm doing here. Make sure that the meat is wrapped in the pepper fully so that it can soak up the flavor on the pepper. Since I have 4 pieces of meat and I'm running out of pepper, I have to improvise. Now, let's put the chicken into the pan. Make sure the skin side is facing out. You will see what happens later in this video if you have the skin facing downward. I'm not going to pan fry it as suggested on the packet. I'm just going to cook it with AMC pot. Heat the pot on high heat. Let's take a peek after 5 minutes. Looking good! When the indicator reaches the middle of the meter, lower the heat to medium. Once it reaches the end of the meter, switch off the heat. Only open the pot cover when the indicator moves to the middle of the meter. Let's see how it looks like. Looking good. It smells so good too. In fact, it's overcooked because I didn't switch off the heat earlier. But surprisingly, it's still tender, not dry at all. See, this is what I meant. I shouldn't have placed the skin side at the bottom. Luckily, just the skin was charred. I just scraped it off. In fact, if I flip the meat in the middle of the cycle, it will not be charred. Now it's ready to be eaten. Here's my quick take on the product. It is very convenient and easy to use. You don't even need to wait for the meat to be marinated. The flavor was amazing and it went all into the meat, even into the bone. It is still very tender even though I've overcooked it. Have you ever tried this product before? What is your experience with it? Mind to share it with me in the comment section below? I'm sure you must be wondering whether you can use it in the air fryer, oven or microwave. Unfortunately, it can't be used with any of these appliances. I actually burned the pepper in the air fryer a few months back. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at lovebellbell. Till then, see you and take care. Bye!